Hi, welcome back. This is John Clifford. Today we'll discuss about registration of partnership firm. Already we have discussed about partnership, types of partners, right? Types of partnership. For a better understanding, what is the difference between partners and partnership? Partner refers to a person, whereas partnership refers to the function or the process. For example, entrepreneur refers to a person. Entrepreneurship refers to the function or the process. Leader refers to a person. Leadership refers to the function or the process. Administrator refers to a person, whereas administration refers to the function or the process. So same way, partners refers to a person and partnership refers to the function or the process. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, and also we have discussed about partnership deed, that is agreement. Partnership deed or a partnership agreement. Now we'll discuss about the registration of partnership firm. Partnership agreement is different. Partnership agreement is to govern the relationship amongst the partners. Partnership registration is to get the firm registered in a government organization. Right? Registration of a partnership firm is getting the firm registered with the register of the firms of the state in which the firm is situated. Okay, we have to get it registered in the state where the firm is situated. Right? According to the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, we have to get it registered according to the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Why do we register the firm? To prove the existence of the partnership firm. Right? The same way we register the land, the same way we register the car, to prove that we are the owners for that land, to prove we are the owners for this car. Right? The same way we have to register the firm also. In future, in case of any issues, like if you want to file a case, only if you register the firm, you can file a case against any person. In case of any issue, if you want to file a case against any person, you can file a case, or against any other company or against any other partner. If you want to file a case and prove yourself, you have to get the firm registered. The registration can be at the time of formation or any time during its existence. Right? You can do any time during its existence. Okay? Submission of application in the prescribed form. There will be a prescribed form, so you have to submit that form to the registrar of firms. Once you fill the form, then you have to submit it to the registrar of firms. What all details will be there in the form? Name of the firm, right? And location of the firm, where it is located, and name of the branches, if any. If your firm have any other branches in any other place, you have to mention the name and the location address also. Right? And the date when each partners join the firm. When the partners join the firm, you have to mention the date. Okay? Name and address of the partners. Each and every partners, you have to mention the name and address. Then duration of the partnership, how long you are going to run the business, the duration of partnership. Right? After filling all these details, each and every partner should sign the application. Right? After signing the application, they need to pay a registration fees. Okay, after paying the registration fees, they need to submit the application to the registrar. So, after verifying the application, registrar will make an entry in their system and he will issue a registration certificate. Right? Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this lecture, please do subscribe and press the bell icon also. Thank you very much. Meet you next time. Bye-bye.